Hello everyone, welcome to our course Reinforcement Learning. As part of this course, in this lecture, I am trying to discuss about the another concept called upper confidence bound UCB. So UCB means upper confidence bound. So this is the another method like greedy and epsilon greedy. This is the another method which helps the player to choose which mission to go, which mission the player should play, so that he got more returns. Now coming to this upper confidence bound. So suppose assume there are three slot mission. There are the three missions are there, and mission A already participated in the 100 place. Based on these 100 place information, the average reward is 8. That means on an average it gives the 8 rupee as a reward. Similarly, coming to the mission B, it participated in the only 5 place. Based on the history or based on the returns in these 5 place, the total average is 7 rupee. Similarly, coming to the mission C, it participated in the 8th place. Out of 8th place, based on the return it is giving over each play, the total average reward is 6 rupee. Done. Now if you observe here, mission A gave among all these three, mission A gave highest reward 8 rupee. It gave highest average reward. Okay, and it played 100 place. It participated in the 100 place. So this is called as the high confidence. This is called as the high confidence because it participated in the more place. So it is a high confidence. Coming to the mission B, it has a reward 7, which is close to mission A, but it participated in only 5 place. That means it has the low confidence. It has the low or less confidence. And coming to the mission C, average reward is 6. That means among all these three missions, average reward is less for the mission C. But it played 8th place. So that means it participated in the 8th place. So it is also a high confidence. Done. So now, which mission we should play next? So for that answer, so we will use the upper confidence bound. To get that answer, we will use the upper confidence bound. And upper confidence bound also works same as greedy, epsilon greedy, based on the exploration and exploitation. Same as our epsilon greedy, upper confidence bound method also will work. Upper confidence bound method also will work based on the exploration and exploitation. So what mean by the exploitation? It is same as earlier versions. That means the machine which gave highest reward, highest average reward, highest average return, we suggest that machine to play to the player. We suggest the machine which has the highest return, highest average return, we suggest that machine to the player to play. So that is called as the exploitation. That means among A, B, C, we suggest machine A because it has the highest average return or highest reward, so that the player go to mission A and he play with that mission A. What mean by the exploration? You can see our epsilon greedy. In case of the epsilon greedy, exploration is completely random. Exploration is completely random. That means among the missions, we randomly pick one mission to explore. Among the three missions, so among the available missions, you randomly pick one mission and explore. That's the random exploration. If it is a epsilon greedy, we will consider all the missions and randomly choose one mission from them, and we will suggest the user to play with that mission. Whereas in the modified epsilon greedy, we exclude the mission which has the highest return, and with the remaining missions, we will choose one mission random. Then with that mission, the player will play. So in this case, that means in the epsilon greedy or it is a modified epsilon greedy, in both cases, the exploration is a random exploration because we are choosing the mission randomly. But in case of the UCB, the exploration is not random. But how we choose the machine? See, try less tested machine and gather more information. So explore means we will go with less tested machine. So that means this time we will go with machine B because it is lesser tested. It is only tested on 5 times. It participated in only 5 places. Less tested machine. It participated in only less number of places, 5 number of places. So we will try with B now. So this is called the exploration. So in UCB, exploration is based on the lowest number of participation. Whereas exploitation, same as our epsilon greedy, which has the highest reward, that will give we will suggest that machine. So our upper confidence bound is a combination of both. That is the exploitation. It will balance the exploitation and also exploration. That exploration is based on the uncertainty, nothing but the less number of plays, and where the exploitation is based on the average reward. So the UCB considers the exploitation based on the average reward, and also it considers the exploration based on the uncertainty. That means the machine which goes for the less number of plays. There is no random here. Done. So UCB idea, instead of random exploration like epsilon greedy and modified epsilon greedy and modified epsilon greedy, we will not go for the random exploration. UCB will not go for the random exploration. So UCB says explore machines that have uncertain. UCB says explore machines which are uncertain. Uncertain means which is tested on less number of times. Right? So if you observe here, student A 95 marks in 100 tests, student B 90 marks in only 2 tests. So who has the more potential? So we have to exploit means we have to go with student A. If it is explore means we will go with student B because he was less tested. If you give the more opportunities, he may be better than A. He may be better than A if you give the more number of opportunities. But as of now, he has only 2 opportunities, he got 90 marks. But he got 100 opportunities, he got the 95 marks. So if during the exploration means we have to give the opportunity to student. We will give the more opportunities to the student. Exploit means so highest reward, highest values, highest marks. So that is the student A we will go. So hope you understand the upper confidence bound method, and we'll see the algorithm. We will check now how upper coincidence bound problem will work here. Confidence bound, upper confidence bound method. So how upper, U for upper, C for confidence, C for confidence, B for bound. So upper confidence bound method. Okay. So upper confidence bound method, how it will work, we will discuss now. Okay. So this is the flow chart. As part of the upper confidence bound method, we need to calculate the upper confidence bound value for every machine. We need to calculate the upper confidence bound value for every machine. Later, which machine has the highest upper confidence bound method, that machine will be used to play, to execute, to implement. And later we are going to update the average estimated returns of the particular machine by using the same formula that what we used for the greedy, epsilon greedy and modified greedy algorithm. So this process will be repeated until number of plays that user want to play reached. So this is how we are going to calculate the upper confidence bound. So this is the upper confidence bound value for a machine A. It is the estimated returns of a machine A, and C is called the exploration coefficient. Generally we go with 2, and square root of natural logarithm of T. T means number of plays, the number of play. What is the number of the game? Number of play or number of the game in the casino. And N means number of plays by the machine itself. This T includes number of plays up to that point of time, combining all the machines. Okay. T means current time or number of plays happening in the casino including all the machines. But N of A means it is the number of plays by the machine A only. So this is how we calculate the upper confidence bound value. Okay, so I will explain step by step process with the numericals, then we can easily understand how it will work. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept point of view. So thing is, we have to calculate the UCB value for each machine A, B, C, and among all the A, B, C values which has the highest upper confidence bound value, that machine will be considered to play. So that machine suggested to play by the user. Once the user or player played with that machine, then read what the return he is getting. Based on that return, again update the estimated return value, estimated return values. Also update the number of plays by that particular machine. So this process will be repeated until the number of times or number of plays reached. So hope you understand. In the next lecture, we will discuss the same algorithm with the numerical examples. So until then, bye. Thank you.